NVIDIA's earnings yesterday caused a massive gap up on QQQ and trapped a lot of bulls before selling off the entire day. Let's talk for a minute about how you can potentially make a lot of money on days like this. So you can see QQQ here on the chart. We gapped up here as we opened up. Let's talk about how you can fade this move and why you should consider fading moves like this. So here's the deal. I always plan to fade gaps because we know statistically that most gaps get faded. And so when the market gaps in a certain direction, you can always plan to play the opposite direction of it. And if it's not going to work out for you, you tend to either get stopped out for a very small loss if you know what you're doing, or your trade setup just never shows up at all. So let's talk about how I take trades like this in my day trading account. So we're going to look at the 5-minute chart on SQQQ. SQQQ goes up when QQQ goes down. And so what I'm going to do really quick is I'm just simply going to set my price levels based on the first 15-minute range. So these first 3 5-minute candles here, and you can see we've got a high here, we've got a low here. This is the range of the day that I'm waiting on. And since I am only planning on fading the gap, I am waiting for it to break out to the upside and close a candle above the upside. So you can see that happened here about 90 minutes after the market opened. We finally got the breakout to the upside on SQQQ. My stop loss is going to be right here at VWAP. As long as we don't close below that, I'm staying in this trade, and let's see how it played out. We climb. A lot of strength to the upside on SQQQ because the market is very weak. And we get our first 2 candle bar close lower right here. So this is going to be my first profit taking area. I'm going to raise my stop loss to right here so that this doesn't go against me and doesn't turn into a red trade. And then we're going to ride the second wave up as well. And you can see that we came down here. We take the second wave here, and we get our second 2-bar close right here, so you are going to take profit there. This trade went from about $71 to $79.50 before you got out. Amazing day trade for you. I call this the bread and butter.